to a sister of Elliot. So Ellen, you can start with a scissor like this. This is a straight on a bite scissor. So you can hang on with her and start with soft cuts from the top to make appear the angulation on the upper arm. And then you come down with soft cuts, taking the excess of coat and brush it to feel like it's a natural cut on the leg. And don't take too much coat on the leg, because it will appear that he is still a young boy, and it could appear that he cannot have so much bone. So you left a little bit more coat in the leg, you know. And then you make a straight line in the leg and wait that the coat on the leg make this appearance. Do it this and brush it all the time. And then here and here. You take it and brush it. Then to the feet you can use a scissor like this, a small one, not a big one. And then you do the feet like this. Start cutting down all the coat on the paw. And then cutting here on the feet, so you can show it a cat feet. That is what the standard says. Cat feet. You should have a cat feet. If the nails are too long, you can cut it. You don't need it. Nails too big. You take it all inside like this. So it can appear like a small feet, cat feet, like this. And then you finish like this. Yeah. Oh. See? The leg should appear like this. And you can take it a little bit more here and here. Okay? Hope this elucidated how to do it, Elliot.